Okay, well, like they say, the right tool for the job always helps, right? So this should make a big difference. At least better than a pair of kitchen scissors, that's for sure. So let's try not to damage the heating element. Now I did get a new one of these, and it's much longer and much bigger. So there we go, I got that. Get that off. Careful, this could be sharp too. Don't hurt yourself. Oh, there's a little rivet back there holding it in. Could have probably moved it there, would have been a better idea, but all right, here's a new one. And this one, Encompass was out of stock. So I got this one on Amazon. So, but in the manual, it shows it like this. And it says to make sure that it does not hit the plastic down there. So I might have to trim it because sucker's long, man. So, let's see. Gonna trim it back a little bit. Probably just need to go to like right there. And I want this to, these are supposed to wrap around. So I have to figure out how to do that and get that done. And I'll be back.